Dr. D.K. Gupta, we have been seeing, as you said, that consumables when it comes to the hospitals, well, it has been reduced. You have also said that the operating cost has been reduced as well when it comes to an aspect of having to run a hospital as such. So do you think that could in fact result in probably healthcare or hospitals being set up in certain locations instead of people trying to travel long distances? So because the cost of running an hospital is less, investment into healthcare in tier 3 cities or tier 2 cities increases when it comes to this particular aspect.
Thank you so much. That's a great question, I think. I would like to tell you that most of the healthcare institutions, they are very high capex business and high opex business also.
All right.
Like if you establish one hospital, it requires 1 crore to 2 crore per bed initial cost for establishing a hospital. Means if you are establishing a hospital of 200 bedded hospital, it will require around 200 crore. And there is no relief in any form, like in GST or income tax or any consumables or electricity bills or subsidy on land. There was nothing was there that was going to pass on to the investors. So now, because of the reduction in the GST, the capex part will also reduce. Means medical equipment, plant and machinery, surgical instruments, they will be reduced from 28% to 5% only. Even the import duties, import machines, they will have lesser GST also. So it means the capex part, like at around 30 to 40 lakhs per bed is capex part only in terms of medical equipment and medical furniture and medical instruments. So that will also reduce. If we talk about the establishing hospital in terms of establishing a building means establishing a structure or civil structure or plant and machine like civil finish, that will also reduce because the GST on cement is reduced from 28 to 12%. So I think capex that was around 1 crore to 2 crore per bed, it will reduce by at least 10 to 15% for the hospital owners or hospital promoters, and it will definitely encourage investment in this sector.